What's up everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve and fix this problem on your Snaptube. Just watch and follow this video till the end. You have to open the settings of your mobile phone first. Click on apps option and search for Snaptube. Click on Snaptube like this and scroll this list down. Click storage, click clear cache right now. Back, click add for, stop and click OK. Now go to permission, make sure that you give permission to files and media, and right now restart your device, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next tutorial.